Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the fourth problem of AtCoder beginner contest 357, which is sum 8. Okay. So what is the problem statement? For a given positive integer n, let Vn be the integer found by concatenating n exactly n times. So V3 is 333 and V10 is 10 times 10. So find the remainder when Vn is divided by this modulo. Okay. So let's take one example. Let's say for 3 the integer will be V3 will be 333. Okay. V3 will be 333 and V4 will be 444 kind of, and here length of 3 and length of 4 is 1. Let's take something like V10. So it is 10 repeating 10 times. So it is, length of the entire integer is like this: 10 10 10 10 10 and then 10 10 10 10 10. Okay. So 10 times. Okay. So the brute force solution for this is to concatenate in number of times, but it is not possible with the current constants, because if let's say n is 50, then also the length of this thing will be 100. Then okay, the length of the vi is nothing but I into length of I. Now what is length of I? Length of I means the number of digits in I. So vi has length of this length of vi is nothing but I into length of I. Now if n is 50, then length of vn will be what? Length of vn will be 100, right? Because length of n is 2. So uh, so what we can say that for the if the range is also 50, then this approach will not help us, so we have to think about something more. Okay, so let's try to solve this problem in order of n time complexity, right? So let's try to solve this problem in order of n time complexity. Now how we can write this vi? Okay, let's try to write v3 in powers of 10. V3 in powers of 10 we can write 3 into 10 square, 300, plus 3 into 10 to the power 1 plus 3 into 10. Okay, so order of n solution you can think of is that we will iterate over it n times, and we will add n into 10 to the power what is 2 here. Okay, so you might assume that it is n into 10 to the power n minus 1 plus n into 10 to the power n minus 2, like that, but that is not exactly the case. So what is 2 then? Okay, what is 2 then? Let's try to think about v10. Okay, v10 is 10 into 10 to the power 18 plus 10 into 10 to the power 16, like that. Okay, 10 into 10 to the power 16, like that. So this thing is nothing but n into 10 to the power n minus 1, right? N minus 1, you can think about this: n minus 1 into size of n plus n into 10 to the power n minus 2 into size n minus 2 into size of n, like that. Okay, like that, plus at the end it will be n into 10 to the power 0 into size of n. Okay, this thing will be n into 10 to the power 0, that will be 1. So you can solve this problem in order of n time complexity by forming this n into 10 to the power n minus 1 into modulo n. But here you can see the time, the constants on n is 10 to the power 18, so it is not possible to solve this problem in order of n also, so we have to think something more. Okay, so what more we can think of? So it is let's say we are taking n as common. If we take n as common, then it will be 10 to the power n minus 1 into, let's consider length of n as s, so it is 10 to the power n minus 1 into s plus 10 to the power n minus 2 into s, like that. Okay, plus at the end is this 10 to the power 0 into s, right? 10 to the power 0 into s. So this, you can see that this is a kind of a gp. Okay, this is a gp. So is this first thing will be 1, then this will be 10 to the power s plus 10 to the power 2s, like that. So this is a gp with the multiplier 10 to the power s. And what is the number of terms in this gp? The total number of terms in this gp is nothing but n. So what is the formula of the gp? The formula of summation of the gp is nothing but this is nothing but a first value. So first value, let's call that a. So this is a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Here the first term is nothing but our 1. First term is 1 if we take n as common, otherwise you can think that as n also. So this is r to the power of n. R is what? R is nothing but 10 to the power s. So this is 10 to the power n s minus 1 divided by 10 to the power s minus 1, and after that we have to multiply this entire thing with n. So the overall formula is nothing but 10 to the power n s minus 1 by 10 to the power s minus 1 into n. Now this thing, power 10 to the power n is, we can find the power of something like, let's say p to the power n. This could be solvable in order of n log n, order of log n, using binary exponentiation. So I hope you all know about binary exponentiation. This is pn is nothing but 2 into pn by 2, 2 into pn by 2, right? Like that binary exponentiation works. There are some other conditions when n is odd and when n is even, so I am not going into that. You can search about binary exponentiation to find power of n in log n. So we are using that now. Another thing that is needed here is that when let's say we are trying to find a by b modulo something, a by b modulo something. Okay, here you can see that we are finding 10 to the power n s minus 1 divided by 10 to the power n s minus 1. We can't really divide a by b with modulo m, because this could be a float number also. So a by b mod m is nothing but a into b to the power m minus 2 percent m. So how this formula comes, I will give the link of the GFG article in the description box. But if there are some conditions here, but here m is prime, so this condition is satisfied. So we can write a by b as a into b to the power m minus 2 modulo m. Okay. So now let's jump into the code. So our formula, let's visit that again. Our formula, let me write it here. This is nothing but 10 to the power n is 10 to the power n is minus 1 by 10 to the power s minus 1 into n. Now what is s? S is the number of digits in n. Okay, so s is length of str of n in Python. Now we are finding 10 into 10 to the power n is minus 1, and this is numerator, and denominator is 10 to the power s minus 1. Now we are multiplying n into numerator, and we are taking denominator to the power mod minus 2. Okay, and after that we are taking the modulo of the entire thing with mod. Okay, I will provide the link of the binary exponentiation and also this modular division in my description box. You can check that out. I will also provide the link of the code in the description box. If you have any doubt in any part of the explanation or video, you can ask in the comment section. I will try to reply each and every comment. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and also share among your peers. Thank you.